Parrots live to be 100 years old. Think about what that means. A parrot born today might outlive your parents, your grandparents, everyone you know, and yet people buy parrots without understanding this. Then they give them up, and the parrot, who bonded to that person like family, loses their person over and over. Petey lost his person more than once, but his story does not end there. Parrots do not just mimic sounds. Studies with African gray parrots show they can understand the meaning of words, use them in context, and even express emotions. One famous African gray named Alex could identify objects, colors, and shapes and had the cognitive abilities of a 5-year-old human. Parrots are zygodactyl, meaning they have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 pointing backwards. That grip is how they hang from branches, manipulate objects, and hold food. Their feet are essentially a second pair of hands. Wild parrots live in flocks and are deeply social. A lone parrot without companions can develop anxiety, depression, and self-destructive behaviors from loneliness alone. They need their people. Petey had lived in multiple homes. Each time his previous owner could no longer care for him. He was rehomed. Each loss was a trauma. Parrots are as emotionally sensitive as young children. Being repeatedly separated from the people they bond will cause real psychological harm. When Petey arrived at Best Friends Animal Society's Parrot Garden in Utah, he was guarded, understandably so. The Parrot Garden is a tropical sanctuary within the larger Best Friends campus, filled with light and music and volunteers who spend hours every day giving parrots exactly what they need: time, attention, patience, and the understanding that they are not going anywhere again. Slowly, Petey began to trust. He started talking more, engaging more, being more present. He got showers, which parrots love. He got music, which parrots love even more. He got people who showed up every day and proved that this time was different. Petey lives at Parrot Garden now. He is not going to be rehomed. He has found his people. The biggest reason parrots end up in rescue is that people do not understand what they are signing up for. Your mission is to share one fact about parrot lifespan with someone today. Parrots can live to 100 years old. They need decades of dedicated care. When people understand that before they get one, fewer parrots end up like Petey, losing person after person. That knowledge protects real birds. Petey is at Best Friends right now. He has his people, his music, his showers. He has stability for the first time. That is all he ever needed. Every animal matters. Every explorer helps. Tune in next time to hear about Mary the monkey. If you want to write in with a request for me to cover a rescue story on one of your favorite kinds of animals, ask a parent to go to supportanimalrescueadventures.com and they can send me a message. And if you love learning about animals and how to save them, ask your parents to give this podcast a positive review. See you on the next episode.